Hey y'all, I'm back. That was quick, right? I wanted to come on here and show you guys. I'm a little excited. Hold on, I need a knife. Where's the knife? I want to show you guys what I got. And I got another little package here that was ripped open. So guess what these are? Guess. Okay, hang on. We're gonna... Melissa needs to get her butt up out of bed. Okay, just get... Okay. Hi, Chris, again. Hey, I had it, remember when we said the mail was here? I'm so excited. I don't even need to open these because somebody already did. But I got something today. I'm so excited. Because guess where I'm going in less than 2 weeks? Excellent. This is our convention t-shirts. I'm so excited. So excited. And then that's the back. So... I got one with a V-neck like this. And then I got one like this. Which I should probably wear today because, you know, no, I'm saving them for convention. But, okay. Stronger together. Excellent. I'm so excited. So excited my shirts came! Okay, then we got another little box. And guess what? This one, I did not order. This one is free. This one, enjoy Texas, always fun to travel. Yes, I am traveling with 3 kids. This is my business convention for Unique, but we are kind of making a family vacay out of it. So, this next package is my freebie package. Everything in this box is free. Because I passed a milestone of Fast Start. So I wanted to open it with you guys and see what I got. Because I don't know, I'm not sure what I all got in this. But okay, we got one bag, a little Unique bag. It's kind of cute. It's purple, of course, and I love purple. You're home from work today, huh? Cool beans. Okay, so... I got another bag. I'm really starting to get addicted to bags. Leave the cat alone, Annie Manny. So, okay, this is cute. Little bag. That'll be helpful on my trip. Okay, then we got... Ooh, I got a brand new... what the hell brush is this? This is our contour stick, or... This is our, contour brush. I got another one. Awesome sauce. It's always nice to get brushes. Then we got 2 liners in the shade of Perfect. Okay. Then we got Vein. I got a lipstick. Wait, I got 2 veins. Okay. That's kind of cool because this shade is like, this shade's on our Steals and Deals, I think. So I'm going to totally just manipulate the box and try and get it out. Okay, Vein is this color. Woo! I got another red. Awesome sauce. Dang. Put that in my little thingy. I got an oil control mask. Hi, honey, I'm opening my free box. My free box, I didn't pay for any of this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Because y'all know me, I love my skincare. Oh, and my t-shirts came for convention, honey. Check them out. My t-shirt, excellent. Stronger together. Awesome sauce. And they're so soft, too. I really like the feel of them. Okay, more bubble wrap. What else did we get? I got another liner shader brush. Ooh, awesome. Awesome sauce. I got another lip liner in the shade of Popular. Hey, Amanda Duncan. Thanks for watching. Oh, I got a Splurge Cream Shadow and Bittersweet. Which one is Bittersweet? I know. I think I know. Yep, it's this one. Because I already have it. But it's cool. It's great. It's my backup. When I run out of Victoria's, I use that. Then we got, oh, now this is what I love. Ooh, ooh. I'm like a kid on freaking Christmas. This is amazing. Hello, love. Look at that bag. This bag is so cute. Oh my gosh. It is so big. That's what he said. Okay, seriously, guys, look how big this freaking bag is. It's huge. But, of course, I love it. Love, 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 love. Love new bags. This company has gotten me so addicted to their bags. Some I like, some I don't, but most of them, y'all, I love. Okay, what else do we got? Okay, they sent me 3 veins. I'm definitely going to have my red lipsticks. Then I got a lucrative lip gloss in, what color is this? Lovable, which is... Nope, that's Luxe. That's my favorite. Lovable! Pink. So, I have a spare in that. Please don't... Ooh, I don't think I have this one. No! And y'all just went down on me. Wow. Hi, guys. Did we enjoy the fall? Sorry about that. This stupid phone. I'm telling you, the rigging I've got for this to work is just freaking unreal. I'm going to put all the splashes back up in there. Our splashes are on sale for 50% off. We are sunsetting 4 colors. And Stubborn is one of them. I still got more stuff in this box. Oh my freaking gosh. And this is all free. This is because our company is so freaking thebomb.com. They give us incentives, and if we do these certain things, they really do spoil the crap out of us. I'm trying to find the shade Lovesick. I thought I had it. I do. Lovesick. I got that one for free. Please don't tell me this is another vein. I got a free eye primer. Oh, that's awesome because I need it. Oh my gosh. And I got a free palette, Addiction palette. And of course, I got one of the greatest ones. Number 2. This is our grays and silvers, and it's got a little bit of browns in it. But that was the cat jumping off. So, okay, now I have an extra of 2, 3, and 4 of our Addiction palettes. That is amazing balls. So, okay, I just wanted to show that to you guys. I want to show you our convention t-shirts game. I'm so excited. And, yeah, and they really, I mean, this brush is like, okay, I don't even know how much this brush is, but it's like 30 bucks, 40 bucks, somewhere around there, that alone. And then I got another liner shader brush. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for brushes. Brushes make my day. Okay, y'all, that's all I had to say. I had to jump back on and show you because the mail lady came. And I still have room for more. And again, here's that other bag. It's so cool. Exactly. Hey, I'd get excited for the Snap-on guy too. Do you remember when we had to do, in Mr. Loken's class, Chris, when we had to invest in the stock market, that little experiment he had us do? Well, the reason why I bring that up is because you said Snap-on, right? And everybody invested in Snap-on and Craftsman and whatnot and, you know, all that. Take a guess what I invested in. Because I made the money for our group. Playboy. I did. Even as a high schooler. I know where the money is. I know what you men are thinking. And I made over $18,000. Yupper. All right, y'all have a great day. I'm out of here. I gotta get down to the bank, and first I gotta find my purse. Dang it! Where in the heck? Dale, are you still on here? Where's my purse? I lost it again, and I don't see it hanging anywhere. So, all right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.